Hi everybody, I'm gonna do a long video, I think. We are at this is the Blue River still. Boat ramp, but there's rocks down there to sit on and stuff. Right now everything's covered up. The water's really high, and I'm trying to walk with the quad cane and hold the phone with my right hand, which is really difficult for me to do. So I can do about 2 minutes, and then 2 minutes one way, or I could before surgery. I don't know how far we'll get, but this is awkward. My leg's already stiff. This is why I have to use the rollator.
Yeah.
Because I don't need to be tripping and falling.
No,
over.
I did enough.
With my cane. Look, because you know, those of you who've been watching know I like to look at the little things and look at the cute little berries. Both legs are going stiff on me. We're only gonna go down to here. This is as far as I get. That's the river. I always think this is kind of cool.
I didn't even know this came down here.
Oh, there's actually a trail. This is the linear trail.
I did not know.
Now, there's a bench a little further down that before we made it to, when I had the walker to use. I mean the rollator. And I've never gone over on the other side underneath the bridge because there's cars above. And oh look, we have okay, we're working on balance issues right now. Look, we have these little guys, whatever they are called. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do dragonflies, right?
That's what I was trying to think of. Dragonflies.
Jeez. Oh, look, and we have so many more.
I was sitting here trying to think so hard of the name of those.
Oh, okay, now where'd they go? I zoomed it up and I can't find them. Oh, there's a lot of dragonflies. Okay, let me zoom it back down. We got oh, look, then we got an ant, an oversized ant right now. Look, this is the, and this meets up at the Kansas River, which is just around the corner. Oh, there's so many. Wow. Yeah. Okay. We're here in the shade. Okay. I'm going to end this video. Well, yeah, okay, I can do it. Maybe all I do today, but there's so many, jeez. Well, I guess I know where to find them. The water is just the flood of 93 pictures showed up in my memories on Facebook this morning.
Oh, yeah.
So I was looking at them, and now here. Wow. This is as far as I'm going. Oh, wow. Well, wow. I don't even know if maybe no, they'd have a thing up if there was, but we're not going that far to find out. There is a bench up there around the other side, but look how the water is up really, really high. It's a pretty view though. Okay, we're walking back. It's a lot of water.
Sometimes I feel like going uphill is easier for me walking.
Yeah,
I feel like my feet get tangled up trying to go downhill.
yeah. I like reflection pictures. Like, that's really pretty right there. Boy, there's so many of those.
That's a cool tree.
I know, it just really is. Yeah, I do have pictures from down the ramp, pre any surgeries, but it's been a while. Oh, Angie, we came out here on my birthday one year and sat down there on the ramp that's underwater. You know what Angie I'm talking about?
Oh, we've done it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I like that.
Okay, the car is so far away.